Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Nanoleaf blocks.
And Nanoleaf sent us them for the review.
All right, so what we've got here is we've got the Nanoleaf Blocks Smarter Starter Kit XL, and we've got the Textured Squares add-on kit.
What was in the box? All right, so instruction manual came in the box.
For both.
Okay. And some sort of trim kit, which I'm not sure where that goes, but we install it, we'll know. A shelf, so you can actually have a shelf. And then a whole bunch of gadgets. So they have the power adapter, all the connectors you need to hook everything together. It's just the controller, plus, and these get all over the place, the strips that you put in there to glue them to the wall, but they're removable.
Removable sticky strips.
A couple of brackets for this thing called the pegboard, which everything is sitting on. There's a thing called the pegboard. All the screws and things you need to hook things up.
All right, then we've got 4 of the blocks, the regular squares, the big ones.
And they hook together really easy with those
little connectors.
flippy things. All right.
And then we've got 4 little small blocks.
And they have the same thing in the back.
They have the same thing on the back. So those are neat. And then we also got a little add-on kit with these textured squares. These are really cool. So they're like different levels, little triangle shapes. It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool. And it hooks up the same way. It's got the same thing with the connectors.
So we can mix and match and make a really cool
And there's 2
setup.
of them.
Yep, there's 2 that came in that add-on kit, and then some extra stickies and
connectors. Everything you need. So that's it. That's the Nanoleaf blocks.
Thank you for watching.